This video will demonstrate how to take an exam using the RPNow 4.0 remote proctoring software. First, go to the URL for your organization. This link will either be posted on your course directions, the directions for the exam, or given to you directly by your instructor. If you do not have this link, please contact your instructor. You will be taken to the RPNow installation page where you will choose Download Software. You will need to do this each and every time you take an RPNow exam. Locate your download, then save and run the program. The license agreement will populate. Please read through this agreement and accept the agreement to proceed. The microphone check will automatically populate. You will need to speak out loud in order to pass. After passing the microphone check, click OK. A bandwidth check will run in the background. If you do not have sufficient bandwidth, a message will appear. If you see this message, you can try using a different computer, restarting the RPNow software, taking the exam at a different location, restarting your router, or making sure others are not using excessive bandwidth on your connection. Please remember, if you need any assistance while using RPNow, you can always click the Contact Support button at the top of the screen and get assistance via chat. Choose your course and exam from the drop-downs and enter your name, email address, and phone number. It's important to note that the name that you provide us must match the name that is listed on your photo ID exactly. The RPNow advisory pages will then launch. Please read through the prompts carefully as they explain the rules for the exam. RPNow will then launch a page which will give you the option to close any prohibited processes. You will then be prompted to take a picture of your photo ID. If the picture is unclear, you're able to retake the photo. Make sure we can see your picture and that the name on the ID is readable. When you can confirm this, check the box below, then click Confirm ID Photo. Next, you'll need to complete a room scan. Click Start Room Scan and move your web camera to show us your desk area, floor, and the walls around you. Make sure you pan the entire area. Once the scan is submitted, you'll have to review the entire video before you can check the box and confirm the scan. Again, you always have the option to retake this video. You will then be prompted to take a clear user photo to compare with your photo ID. Once this is completed, you will have 10 minutes to start the exam. Log in and then load the course, then locate your exam. Once you've selected your exam, you may be prompted for a password. You will not be told in advance what the password is. Click the Insert Exam Password button at the top of the window to populate the password. You can then click Submit and take the exam. After finishing the exam, click the button to save and submit your answers. It's important to note that RPNow will continue to record after you've submitted your answers until you select Close and confirm you'd like to exit the exam. Thank you for watching our tutorial and good luck on your exams.